Okay, so I got like a few clothing items which I didn't plan to buy, but they were really cute, so I decided to buy them. So the first is this sweater vest, and it's really cute. And I also got this kind of like Jenny kind of vibe to it. So it's this jacket with the really fancy looking button, and I don't know, it's really cute, and I just love them so much. It's kind of like my style now, wearing those type of jacket and everything. And the last thing that I got is this really cute blue cardigan or sweater. It's just like a really pretty color, and I just really love it. So those are like the clothing things that I got, which I didn't plan, but they're really cute, so I decided to just get it. I also bought a shelf rolling cart thing, and I didn't vlog in the store because there was a lot of people. You can't really see it, but this is how it looks like, and I am excited to use it, store all of my skincare and all of that. Today I'm gonna go out to go buy some cake supply to make a lunchbox birthday cake for my boyfriend because it's his birthday tomorrow. So let's go.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to you. Yay!
Okay, so it's been around like 1 to 2 hours since I got home from the date today. I didn't talk much in today portion of the vlog, so I'm gonna show you my outfit for today, which is the blue top that I got a few days ago, then my white jeans, and for my shoe I just wore the Air Force One's Nike. I'm so sorry if like it's very shadowy because like my big light in my room is broken and I only use this like emergency light kind of thing. Okay, so I will be moving my bed to like that side. So I moved like my mattress over here, and so I'm just gonna move the bed over there. Okay, so I am back from accompanying my sister to go buy some of the things, and I'm really sorry that it's raining right now, so you can't really hear me that well. I'm waiting for the rain to kind of die down a bit because I really want to take out this wall plug, like screw plug kind of thing on the wall, and I also kind of not sure, but I want to plan on finishing the paint up there because I've been not doing that for a long time, so yeah. So I'm done like cleaning my room and rearranging all the stuff and putting back my desk and the stuff on the shelves and everything. So I'm gonna show you what I've done. Okay, so this is what I've done so far. I've put back my desk and I've rearranged all of the stuff on the desk, and I have put back all of the things that I have on the shelf thing, and then I just put like my mini table over there because I do want to put like a dresser next to the shelf in the near future. So yeah, this is how it's looking like so far. This is the next part of my room, so I just put like the remaining poster that I have below towards the heart that I have, so it doesn't look like a heart anymore. But I have my mirror here, and it's only the mirror because the frame was broken, so like this is what I have now. But for a quick little OOTD kind of moment. So yeah, and that is like for this area. Okay, so I'm gonna build a shelf thingy, which is actually for the bathroom, but it's for me to put all my skincare and stuff that I need that I often use. Okay, so this is like the finished outcome. It's like pretty simple kind of rack, rolling rack kind of thing. So I'm gonna put my skincare and like maybe other stuff that I'm gonna store down there.